Some easy ways of assigning the electronic configuration. Probably the easiest way of assigning electronic configuration is through the periodic table. Before diving into the electronic configuration, let's familiarize ourselves with the periodic table. The periodic table is broken down into 4 blocks: the S block, the P block, D block, and F block. Today we are only going to focus on the S, P, and D block. The S block. The S block contains the alkali and alkali earth metals. S block also contains helium, which is on the right side of the periodic table. The D block. So transition metals are a part of the D block. The P block consists of chalcogens, pnictogens, halogens, noble gas, etc. So we said before that the alkali metals and the alkali earth metals are a part of the S block. So the first column would be S1, the second would be S2, then transition metals are a part of the D block. So that would be D1, D2, 3, 4, D5, D6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And at the end, the chalcogens, pnictogens, halogens are part of the P block. So those would be P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. And from neon down, that would be P6. Helium is a part of the S block. So helium would be S2 as well. So for example, calcium. Let's assign electronic configuration to calcium. So electronic configuration of calcium would be 1s1, 1s2, 2s1, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, and then 4s2. So that would be the electronic configuration of calcium. That's how easy it is through the periodic table. Okay, now let's look at some examples. Helium. So helium, we said, is a part of the S block. So helium would be 1s1, 1s2. So helium would be 1s2. Now let's look at beryllium. Beryllium is also a part of the S block. So that would be 1s1, 1s2, 2s1, 2s2. So that would be 1s2 and then 2s2. Okay, now let's look at sulfur. So sulfur is a part of the P block. So the electronic configuration for sulfur would be 1s1, 1s2, 2s1, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, and then 3p1, 2, 3, 4. So the electronic configuration would be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, and then 3p4. Zinc. Zinc is part of the transition metals. So the electronic configuration for zinc would be 1s1, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, and then it will be 3d1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it would be 3d10. So the electronic configuration for zinc would be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, and then 3d10. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching.